Nearly 3 million children in Canada between the ages of 5 and 12 will soon be eligible for a COVID-19 vaccine once it's approved by Health Canada. There's no telling when that will be exactly, but that hasn't stopped caregivers from getting an early start and signing up. For parents Tanya and Nicholas Goro, there's no question about what they plan to do when a COVID-19 vaccine is approved for children under the age of 12.
I know there are people who don't feel confident and, they're not sure because it is their children, right? And I understand, but I personally, I think I feel confident enough to get my son vaccinated.
In fact, they're ready as soon as it's possible, all while son Jonah spends his time playing in the sand.
I would jump at the opportunity. As soon as I was able to get vaccinated, I did.
Ontario launched its online vaccination booking system for appointments at mass vaccination clinics last March. But there's no indication whether or not it will be used once younger children are able to get a shot. Adults in the province might remember the scramble to book a spot when a new age group became eligible online.
Lessons learned, right? We have seen everything that we've gone through to this point, so perhaps approach things a little bit differently.
Absolutely. I mean, I think we've learned things from the COVID-19 vaccine rollout for adults and for youth, and even for some of the catch-up work that we're doing around routine immunizations, really trying to help all those kids who missed immunizations, for instance, in school-based settings, to really catch up.
Caregivers in British Columbia are already able to pre-register children ages 5 and older using that province's Get Vaccinated online portal. Health officials there want to be proactive before actual appointments can be made. Quote, registering your child is a great step right now as we await approvals from Health Canada. Public Health is carefully monitoring the Health Canada review of COVID-19 vaccine for children aged 5 to 11 and will make decisions for BC based on science.
I think one of the most important things when we're thinking about our rollout is really making sure that it's going to be accessible to parents in lots of different ways, using lots of different types of sites, for instance, pharmacies, primary care, school-based settings, community settings.
I think it's really important to get our children vaccinated. I trust medical professionals.
I think anybody that has a kid should worry, and they should just get it done so we can move on.
Pfizer has shared preliminary research for the pediatric version of its vaccine with Health Canada, with plans for a formal submission by mid-October. Mark McAllister, City News.